In a very exciting news, NVIDIA and Huggingface have joined hands. Both of them have announced a partnership that will put generative AI supercomputing at the fingerprint of millions of developers building large language models and other advanced AI applications. By giving developers access to NVIDIA's DGX Cloud AI supercomputing within the Hugging Face platform to train and tune advanced AI models, the combination will help supercharge industry adoption of Gen AI using LLMs that are custom tailored with business data for industry specific applications, including intelligent chatbots, search, and summarization. This DGX cloud integration with Hugging Face will bring one-click access to NVIDIA's multi-node AI supercomputing platform. With DGX Cloud, Hugging Face users will be able to connect to NVIDIA's AI supercomputing, providing the software and infrastructure needed to rapidly train and tune foundation models with unique data to drive a new wave of enterprise LLM development. With Training Cluster as a service powered by this DGX Cloud, companies will be able to leverage their unique data for Hugging Face to create uniquely efficient models in record time. A very exciting time and very exciting news indeed. Thank you.